What's up guys, Clinton Reether here. Today we're going to check out a 2023 Harris 230 Solstice. Now we're inside the boat. Let's check out the bow. All under the seats you have storage on either side, 6 cup holders up here, 2 bow speakers by JL. Floor storage again. Make our way to the helm. With the Solstice dash, I like it. You still have the 7-inch Simrad screen along with analog gauges. RGB lighting throughout the whole boat, DTS throttle, JL audio, Chase flip-up table right there. Onto the tower, you have dual JL tower speakers. This is a double bimini boat, so the whole boat will be covered. SL lounger, so it swivels back and forth, lays all the way flat too. A lot of storage back here. This flips up, and with that laid flat, this flips up too to have forward-facing seating too. Integrated cooler in this section here with the drain. More cup holders back here, USB ports everywhere in this boat. If this boat interests you, we have many others. Come check us out. My name is Clinton Reether at MarineMax in Louisville, Texas. Thanks.